Do you know this sound? This is the sign that you just made a sale on Shopify, and I bet you want to hear this as often as possible, right? Hi, my name is Klaus, and in case we haven't met yet, I'm here to help you to optimize your business so that you can convert more traffic into sales without increasing your ad budget. First of all, don't worry. I'm not another agency salesperson and I'm not an internet guru. I'm a business owner and run a Shopify store just like you. Here's a question for you. Can you guess why most Shopify stores fail? Well, they struggle to convert traffic into sales and turn visitors into buyers. Their unique selling proposition and value proposition is weak or unclear. They don't have a clear idea of their ideal customer avatar. Their products are great, but their store is not conversion optimized, and their marketing is not specific enough to get them in front of the perfect buyer. E.g., they're spending money on ads, but they don't get any sales. Does any of this sounds familiar? I'm sure it does. So let's put these problems into the past. I'd like to introduce you to the Get Conversions e-commerce program. This is for you if you want a proven step-by-step process to optimize and grow a successful, profitable business on Shopify, or you want to scale your existing business, move your brick-and-mortar business online, or turn your side hustle full-time. It is also for you if you want direct access to a mentor who can assist you with your store, strategy, offer, marketing, sales, and anything else you need. And most importantly, this is for you if you want to reach your business and lifestyle goals and free up time to do what you love. Get Conversions is the only done with you implementation course and mentoring program of its kind that will give you the skills and tools you need to optimize your store marketing and systems for growth. In a nutshell, I will work with you to transform your Shopify business. Imagine the peace of mind you feel having an e-commerce expert review and guide your progress every step of the way throughout the program. By the way, I'm a Shopify partner and business mentor, and I'm also a digital marketing and e-commerce specialist with over 20 years of experience. I guarantee you a proven step-by-step process and methodology that is designed to increase your sales. And because I'm so confident that you will see results, I offer you these guarantees. First of all, you get an unconditional try it guarantee. You only can make an informed decision from the inside, not from the outside, right? For that reason, once you join the Get Conversions program, you will be invited to test things out for 14 days and work through the first modules before you make a final decision. If you don't love it or it doesn't work for you, just let me know within the first 2 weeks and I refund your investment. No questions asked. And also a 12-week success guarantee. In the event you have completed all training modules and attended all coaching calls, however, you're still not satisfied or not seeing the results you want by week 12, I will coach you absolutely free until you achieve results. If you're not happy, I'm not happy. So I want to make sure you will see results. Here's the next step. If you want to make more money with a Shopify store, schedule a free 15-minute strategy call with me and let's find out if you're a good fit for the program. In the call, I can get a quick idea of where you're right now, what issues your business has, and whether I'm able to help you or not. By the way, I'm only working with a few qualified clients each month to make sure you get the best possible results. Click the link below this video now and schedule a call with me, and I talk to you soon.